Hello, everyone, and welcome to Betsy's Math Minute. I'm Betsy, and I've been a math teacher for over 30 years. I've taught students from ages 11 to 70, and I've enjoyed every minute of it. I learned a great deal from my students over the years also, some little tips and tricks that they've used to make problem solving easier, and I'm going to share those in my videos. Additionally, I got kind of a pretty good idea when I'm teaching a concept where the struggles are going to be. So every opportunity I have to give another method, maybe two methods even, on how to solve something, I do that because we all learn differently. Another thing you're going to notice in my videos is that I don't edit them. If I make a little mistake, I just correct it. And the reason being is I want to be able to relate to my students. So if you guys can't relate to me, it's going to be hard to learn from me. So I want you to see me for who I am. I kind of joke around a little bit in the videos and that because I just want to show a little of my personality. And one thing I want to tell you that I love to do in my videos is talk about reading problems out loud. When you read a problem out loud, you get more out of it than you think. It sticks in your head and it'll help you when you're solving problems. It's great for paying attention to detail. So I do that with all my problems. So if you're wondering why is she reading those out loud, that's why I do that. And I want you to know that I am here for you. Leave a comment, send me an email. I'm going to get back to you. And I want everybody to learn. That's the reason for doing this, is to help all of you get better at math and maybe even find a little love for it. I will be starting a store. And in that store, you will find apparel with really positive, fun sayings. And I'm going to offer some worksheets and assessments, which will not be just boring worksheets. I'm going to add a little, let's say, Betsy spice to them to make them a little more exciting. So I hope you subscribe. Please let me know if you like the videos, you don't like the videos, what more you'd like to see, and I'd be happy to help you out. Have an awesome day. Thank you.